I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric ratios on fingers. This clever technique simplifies remembering sine and cosine values for common angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. We'll use your left hand, where each finger represents a specific angle. It's a visual and intuitive way to quickly find these essential ratios, making trigonometry much more accessible and fun to learn. Let's get started. First, hold your left hand with your palm facing you and all fingers extended. Now, assign an angle to each finger. Your thumb represents 0 degrees, the index finger is 30 degrees, and the middle finger is 45 degrees. The ring finger corresponds to 60 degrees, and finally, your pinky finger stands for 90 degrees. This setup is crucial for the next steps, so take a moment to visualize these angle assignments. To calculate the sine of an angle, simply fold down the finger corresponding to that angle. Now, count the number of fingers remaining asterisk below asterisk your folded finger. Take the square root of this count and then divide the result by 2. For example, for 30 degrees, you'll fold your index finger, count one finger below, take the square root of 1 and divide by 2, giving you 1/2. For cosine values, the process is very similar. Again, fold down the finger that represents your desired angle. This time, however, you will count the number of fingers remaining asterisk above asterisk your folded finger. Just like with sine, take the square root of this count and then divide that result by 2. This simple trick allows you to quickly determine both sine and cosine for these key angles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.